In this video, the Reyee Entry G105G router, the ES206 manageable power over Ethernet switch, and the 2260G Wi-Fi access point. Installing the Reyee network like a pro with one SDI. If you're new to Reyee routers, we're here to guide you on using the Reyee Cloud and installing a router from the EG series for mid-sized businesses that also can work for a modern family houses. Visit the Reyee Cloud website and create an account using your email address. After entering your email address, check your email for the activation link. Once you have added a Reyee device, the account is free to use. Complete the fields and click Submit. Oops, forgot the password? No worries. Just click on Forgot Password. Click on Resend to get the recovery key in your email. Copy the security code. Paste the code, set your new password, and click Save. Enter your email address and new password and login. The easiest way to add the device is by using your mobile. Download and install the Reyee app on your mobile device. Then log in with your email address and password. Now click on Add a Project. Select No, Scan or Enter Serial Number. And scan the serial number from the router. Enter a name for the router and select Add. Give the project a name and create a password for the router. Even if you don't have a Wi-Fi access point connected, enter a Wi-Fi SSID name and password for the Wi-Fi, as you will likely add one later. This will be very useful when adding one, as it will ensure the network is directly protected. Select a scenario for the project. This will be useful later on for managing the project and receiving AI suggestions. Then OK to add the device. Refresh the page and you can see the project. Now back to the cloud web interface, and you will see the project as well. Of course, you should be able to configure the whole project in the app, but we think this would be easier in the cloud. How to connect the router and the switches. We are using the red cable to connect from the modem to the WAN from the Reyee router. Then we use the uplink from the PoE switch to connect to the Reyee router. For the next switch that is not a PoE switch, it doesn't matter the port that is going to be used. Now for the last one, a PoE switch. We use again the uplink port, and on one of the PoE ports, the Reyee Router 2260G Wi-Fi access points. Here we see that all the devices are online, except the Wi-Fi. We wait till the Wi-Fi access point will come online. Or we can go back and forward, or click on clients and then devices again. Now we can see the Wi-Fi access point as well. We recommend changing the names of the devices, so that for the next time that you are configuring the devices, you exactly know what device you are in. Take a look what is happening in the config status. When we are looking at the config status from the Wi-Fi access point, we see that the access point is getting the update from the cloud with the SSID and password that we already put in the configuration from the router. When you connect another Wi-Fi access point, the same will happen for the next one and the next one. Now that we are done with changing the names, we are going to look at the next step that we see, updating the firmware. Updating the firmware is needed for security reasons and to keep the device optimal working with the cloud configuration. Click on the upgrade icon to upgrade the device. There is also the option to upgrade the device on a time schedule. This can be useful when the installation is already operational, but for now that we are still installing the network, we upgrade the devices now. Now that you made it to the end, and when you like to see more video like this one, like and subscribe to the channel. A big thank you to FreePic for letting us use the stock images. See you in the next video.
Echoes bounce from wall to wall, free fall, diving, standing tall. Feel the rush inside your veins. Let the music light the flames. The music light the flames.